How to turn off auto dubbing on Android phone in YouTube. So if you're wondering how to turn off this annoying feature auto dubbing from different language and also how to turn off or on captions, I'm going to show you right away. Firstly, we need to find and open YouTube. It doesn't really matter if you will use the app version or the web version. You can use both. I'm gonna just open an app and let's say I'm watching this video. If you take a close look, you should notice that the video has French subtitles as well as French auto dubbing. So to turn that off, all you have to do is to find little gear icon in the top right corner of the video. Click on it and choose audio track first. By tapping on it, I suggest you to always choose original version if you don't want auto dubbing. So click original and now you should hear original audio track on this video. And to turn on or off auto captions, also go back in the same setting. Find the captions section, tap on that, and you will see the list of available captions you can use. For example, if the video is in English, you can also use English captions, auto-generated, or you can switch to any different language from the list. Or if you don't want to see text on the video, then just find the option to turn off captions. Let me just go back in the captions and click turn off captions. And now the video will play without subtitles. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.